Kate, I'm going to be your chocolate tour guide today, and I'm really thrilled to share with you what I know about chocolate, what we do with it here at the factory, also a little bit about its history, its agriculture, some pretty cool stuff.
Chocolate.